Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pratt, local and long distance movers near me. At any time, 3 Movers is available to assist. There will be no delays or damage to your possessions when they arrive. Our long distance service is with the utmost importance to us. It's no secret that our movers are experts in the art of moving. Whatever size or shape your assets are, they treat them with the utmost care and attention. Because they're well organized, they won't confuse your belongings. There are labels and dividers on our vehicles to keep your products organized. No matter how hefty or small an object may be, our vehicles can handle anything. Your belongings are in good hands when they're transported with us. Furthermore, we have the greatest insurance in the industry. Our drivers are seasoned professionals, and in order to avoid any accidents, they drive attentively and respect all traffic laws enforced on the roadway. They also arrive on time at your new location as scheduled. Pratt residents can also count on us for local moves. Since we employ highly qualified employees, use standard equipment, and conduct ourselves in a professional manner, the locals regard us with their preferred provider. There is no problem we can't solve for our clients. Depending on the needs of our customers, we can adjust our movement schedule accordingly. One of the greatest strengths is our ability to provide outstanding value for the money we spend. Generally speaking, our hourly rate is between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pratt moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.